Well, hello there strangers. Mick here from 12 Sagittarian Outdoor Adventures. And yes, I'm back out. It's been at least 3 months since I've been out, because a few months ago I injured my back. Couldn't walk, couldn't sit. The only thing I could do was lie down, which I'm good at. And then after my back got better, my wife got a date through for a surgery to get her back done. Hopefully some motorbikes coming down the forest path. So nice bikes. Thought it might have been you, Trev. Right. Oh, and the car. Oh, it's busy today, isn't it? Very busy. Right, so any case, my wife got a date through for the surgery, so I was off 4 weeks with me back, and then I was off 3 weeks for my wife getting a surgery. Had to look after her, you know. Basically what she had done was she had rods put in her into her neck, either side of her neck, and then screwed in because the invertebrates were degrading. So, as you can imagine, I have not had the chance to get out and do anything. But now I'm out. I was going to show you Little Hope Spout, but that'll have to wait till tomorrow because I think it's on the other side. There might be a route up here to it, but I don't know. So yeah, I'm going to spend the night on the Northumbrian Crag. Can't wait! So looking, I think that is Byness or Burness Hill. I don't know how to pronounce the name of the village. And that one, I think it's Door Hill, D-O-U-R. But they both look good to do, don't they? And that's basically Pennine Weir. Yep, get them two on the bucket list. Got my poles out because starting to feel it a bit. As I said earlier, it's been a long time since I was out and I did a long walk. But I've been doing a little bit of training, taking the dog out, and where I live there's a big fishing lake and there's some steps I've been running up and down them steps with the dog, just trying to get fit. Oh, at least I've got the internet signal, just getting the notification there. Somewhere up here I turn left to collect some water because I've brought no water at all. I'm trying to save on weight, and I thought to myself, when I get over halfway, here's a water source, and I'll just you know, filter some water there, then fill my bottle up. That way I'm not carrying extra weight. So yeah. Woo. Squeaky trees. There's a lot of trees that came down off the storm. The last storm we had. There's another storm coming, but it's down south, so I don't think it's going to affect us. So I think the most we're going to get is 30 odd miles per hour winds, which isn't that bad. But down south and that, oh, torrential rain, flooding and gale force winds. Pooh. Well, ladies and gents, looks like I've done a boo-boo. Earlier on when I mentioned about collecting water from a cyc, that's the crags I'm going to, and the base of it down there is a cyc. But the forestry hasn't looked after it, and they've built a bloody like a forestry path over it, forestry track, so they've blocked it off, so there's no water running. So now I'm having to backtrack about quarter of a mile, half a mile, to where I heard some running water. I went and found two ways up. One is short, the other one is longer. I don't know what to do. I might just head for the shorter one, but it's walking over heather bashing, so I don't know which one to pick. I think what I'll do is, I think I'll take my pack off here and walk down with my bags, my bottle I mean, get some water. So I kind of see any people going to be around here this time of the day on a Friday. So yeah, I'll just probably stash it in them trees over there. Yeah. But when I was on about the second route is up that way. Longer, I don't know, we'll see. In any case, get this bag off and then find some water. Yeah, so the water is down here somewhere. I don't think it was far, and it was running because I heard it trickling, so it shouldn't be stagnant. I can hear it. It's down there somewhere. Well, I found it, so I'm going to fill up. It doesn't look too bad. up my water. It's heading back up there. This is it. Add an extra weight onto my pack. So it's going to be difficult. But it's not far to the water now. Not far now. Well, it looks like it's all been felled up that way. I think it's going to be an easy route. And that also, it starts off the end of the crag, so I can walk all the way along and see which place is best for pitching. So yeah, we've got about 2 hours left, so if this is the bad route, I can just go back that way and see that route. So this looks doable. It's tough going, folks. It's all bracken, bracken and grass and heather. But look at them views. That's beautiful. Them are the crags that we're heading up to. Got to find a spot up there. Got to. So this is my phone. I'm going to carry on walking up this way and see if I can scramble up to the top. Well, I was right, they've been felling up the top here. But to be honest, it's making the walk a little bit easier, I think. Because literally I'm just walking across these up to the top. So it's not too bad. Once I get up there I can walk along the edge, find a place to pitch. So it's safe. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Still windy, mind. So I don't know what the wind is going to be like up there. I have a feeling it's going to be even worse. So trying to see your route up. Really isn't one, it's just take your pick. Yeah. Let's just slog on. I'm walking on where there's caterpillar tracks because I know that ground will be solid. You know, it won't be boggy. So nearly there. Well, I'm on 5 because I am absolutely knackered. It's been a long time since I've done something like this, and I think my body's feeling it. So I'm halfway up, I've just got to get up there. But what I'm looking at now, the views, it's well worth it. Well, I've done it, folks. There's a drip point, and this 50p piece shape is where the fire tower used to stand, and they used to look out for fires. But thankfully I've come straight up to here and I found a place to pitch. I'm pitching right here. I've had a quick scout around there and some places boggy and uneven, but this is perfect. So the wind is going in that direction, so I'm going to point my nose and my tent in this direction. Happy days. I'm just glad I found a suitable place. So I'm going to get cracking and get my tent up, because we'll go about an hour's light left, and I want to have a little bimble up there. So yeah. Well, it's just pitched. I don't know if she'll hold. I'll put the deltas in. I'll I'll do is I'll get my bag and I'll pull to this end to support it a bit more. So as long as the wind doesn't change directions, we should be alright. Well, tomorrow, you see, my plan was to come up from there, I think. So I don't know whether to go down that way tomorrow or not, but you can see the tree line. There used to be a bit of a fire break there, but it's overgrown, and I don't know if it'll be manageable. I think it might be best heading back the way we came up, because we need to go walk all the way across this heather. Yeah, I think we'll head back the way we did, the way we came up. So yeah, brilliant place. Just kind of go with the views. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely loving it. So there's another crag conquered. Well, it's getting cold now. My nose is running, so I think I'm going to climb in and get warm. Listen a bit of radio. That behind us, man. Absolutely amazing. I'm just looking, I can see the A6 696, I think it is. The car's coming up. There's not many lights round, to be honest. Weird. Anyway, I do apologise for any wind noise, but it's time to get in the tent and get warm. I'm starting to shiver. Whew. Well, the wind is pretty bad. I'm just hoping it doesn't get any worse, because it's absolutely ridiculous. It's just bursts of wind, comes and then calms down like now, and then just picks up again. Right, like there. Oh. It does seem to be getting worse. I can hear it. Can you hear that? It's whipping round and all of a sudden it's just going to come and lash my tent. So they've been cutting trees at the back of there. If they didn't, I might be getting a little bit more protection. There is trees there, so it is protecting us from the full, you know, the full waft, or the full force of the wind. If it stays like this, I'm alright. If it gets worse, then I'm screwed, because I can't go anywhere. I can't climb down in the dark. Probably said you'd kill yourself. I had to go out earlier on because the tent was flapping around a lot and I thought, what's going on there? So I went outside, and this corner, my left top corner, the peg came out. So it's only that corner where I kind of get like a proper anchorage, because there's a good tuft of thingy, heather, and I kind of get down into it. So whoa, mental. It's not the worst I've been in, but you know, it's just really pushing on my tent. This is me Telemark 2.2 lightweight from Nordisk. Jesus. Turn me around, I'll show you what's going on with the tent. So I've got two deadly pigs in each corner there, and there's a guideline coming from there and a guideline coming from there, and I've got them down at an angle with two deadly pigs in, and that's what's keeping my tent up, thankfully. So excuse the mess, I know I've been burgled, but it's just absolutely mental. It's supposed to be like this for the rest of the night, and then get slightly worse I think tomorrow. But hopefully I'll be down, my tent will be down by then. But you know what I'm like, I'm not an early riser. I hate getting up in the morning early. So yeah, this is the situation I'm in. I can't go anywhere. Can't escape. Oh yeah, bugger of hell, man. So it's just a matter of waiting out till the morning. Happy days. Right then, it is what it is, folks. So what I'm having tonight is these with some cooked chicken. So I've got the noodles in already, and I've got my water filter here, which is the travel tap. I'm going to put some water in there, boil my noodles, drain them, add the chicken, then Bob's your uncle. Meal fit for a king. Oh yes. Woohoo! Wind's picking up. Crazy. So this is one of the highlights of going camping. Good food, cooking. Beer. Oh, the screen's thinking up. Oh yeah. So that's what we have. Yum yum yum. We have chicken and hot spicy noodles. Yum. Molto bene. One of the best pieces of kit that I've bought. Absolutely love it. So yeah, got my hip flask. So gonna have a few little drinkies and then off to Biddy Buys. Yep. So that's my candle lantern. Absolutely love it. You adjust it and turn it down or up. And it gives off heat as well, so you're warming your tent up. I've got the door open here, believe it or not. So I'm not gassing myself for it like that. You know, okay, carbon monoxide. You know. Great piece of kit. Gonna have a few little drinks of whiskey and then off to Biddy Buys. It's getting late. I'm tired. But yeah, I've enjoyed it. It's been brilliant. So no, that wasn't Japanese. It was Wascalese. Right. Good night, folks. I see you lot in the morning. Good morning, and what a beautiful morning it is. I missed the sunrise this morning, I slept in. Never mind. Bed socks I got off my mum. Absolutely great, because she knows I get cold feet. So, thanks mum. you. So, well, be careful, eh, like. Crazy. All the way down there. Awesome views. Absolutely awesome. But yeah, need to get down and get on the track. Well, I'm down. I follow the fence line all the way up there. It's basically just all posts. I'm following, you know, just like that. Just the posts heading that direction. But yeah, I come down from up there. It doesn't look much, but believe me, it is. There's little drops and holes and that. You think you're going to put your foot down or something and your foot guns down and your whole body jolts. It's toughy. But look how calm it is down here. There's not a breath of wind. Why couldn't it have been like that up there? Never mind, never mind. Time to move on. I'll just take my time. Because this ground is so uneven. Oh, you figure. Didn't see that. Wire of the fence got caught in my foot. Yeah, I'm. Oh! Oh. Ow! Now you see what I mean by potholes and footholes. Oh, my ankle. Get me settled. Oh. Oh. Why do I do these things? Get up, mate. Oh. Oh. Right, I'm on with the track. Oh, my ankle. That could have been worse. Let's get this pack off. That trip could have been nasty, couldn't it? Could have broke a leg, an ankle. That's why I carry this. This is a Garmin InReach. You can use it to track your route. You can send messages, text messages, link to your phone through satellite. So if you can't get a proper phone signal to ring anybody, you can use this. You can text people. Gives you weather updates. There's a website that you can go on, and if you want, you can put your location on and say something about your location so people can actually follow you where you're going. That's why I'll send the link to the missus and she can see where I am and follow us on my routes. And not only that, but as an SOS as well, there's a switch you flick forward, you push the button, and emergency services is basically informed that you've had an accident and they'll come out and rescue you. So if I tripped there, which you're saying is for, if I broke my leg and I couldn't get phone signal, I'd be goosed without this. I'd be stuck up there because I haven't seen a soul all day. There's not many people going to be walking around here. I could be up there for days with a broken leg or a broken ankle, you know. Yeah, so gotta have the gear when you come out in places like this. I just noticed something, folks. I just want to quickly show you. We all know about the sycamore tree at Sycamore Gap, Leinfeld. Absolutely disgusting. That person, the 60-year-old and the teenager, they're the one shooting. I know people think it's just a tree, but you've got to think. People have proposed to the loved ones, you know, proposed marriage at that tree. People have spread their loved ones' ashes at that tree. People have memories at that tree. And then somebody just comes along and smashes them, smashes your dreams and your memories, and oh, gets me annoyed. People like that. But in any case, everybody's saying that the tree might start growing shoots. Well, I've just noticed something. It's this tree here. This tree has been cut down, but as you can see, it's got shoots growing out of it. Don't know what tree it is, but it's obviously not an evergreen, because the leaves, it's autumn time, the leaves are slowly dying now, but the tree is alive. So I'm hoping there is hope for the sycamore tree. It'll never be the same, not in our lifetime, but to me that gives hope. Nature is a wonderful thing and a mysterious thing. You know, they have ways of living on, you know, so, you know, nature lives on, doesn't it? So yeah, fingers crossed, folks, that the sycamore's not dead. I've made it back to the car. Hey, there's me babe. Oh. 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 Right then, one last little treat for you. We are heading to Lindhope Waterfall. It's a trail, a circular trail, takes you down to the waterfall and then back up and round. It's about 1.2 miles, something like that. So I don't know if you can hear the water running in the background. So I'm guessing the waterfall is somewhere down there. I've never been, so come on, let's check it out. Oh wow. Waterfall pond. Look at that, Rob. My mate Rob loves waterfalls. Wow. How beautiful is that? Stunning. Right, let's have a look through the end. Oh wow, look at that, folks. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Well, that's it. That's me done. Back to the car. Well, you can see the car in the background. Oh, I'm knackered. What a trip. I'm just glad to be back out. It's been hard not being able to get out, you know, with my wife having surgery and my back injury, but finally out. It's been absolutely awesome. So if any of you go out and try and do something like this, enjoy it, but make sure you take the right kit. I mean, I wasn't sure about my tent. My Telemark 2.2 by Nordisk. I thought it wouldn't take the wind, but it stood up to it amazing. The material is like a stretchy material, it's weird. So 35 miles per hour winds, yeah, tent was fine. I'll admit I was worried, but you know. And the trip I had, I've got my phone if I had an accident, but some places you cannot get the phone signal. So me DeLorme InReach, it's so valuable. All I would have to do is push that button aside and then press the button straight away, emergency services. And they know where I am because it's like a locator. So I don't have to explain them the coordinates where I am or anything, they just follow the signal. Alrighty then. Fun. Yeah, so thanks for following me on this little trip. You've been watching the 12 Sagittarian Outdoors Adventures. Take care, remember, don't dream it, live it. See you in the next one.